team.
Well, good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Margot Altschuler. Yesterday, we saw some more snow arrive in portions of our area, specifically Virginia and southeastern Kentucky. In Jonesville, Virginia, we saw about 3 inches fall. In Putney, Kentucky, we saw 2.5. In Baxter, Kentucky, we saw 1.5. Churchill, Kentucky, 1.3 inches. And even here in Knox County, in Farragut, we saw about 1/2 inch fall. But we are done with the snow, at least for now. A look outside now, as I mentioned, we did see a few flurries, especially in the northeastern portion of our area here, and this included the Great Smoky Mountains. Now, they've done a very good job, especially at these attractions here at Gatlinburg Sky Park, of clearing that snow. And I mean, they're used to this snow. They get it every season, maybe not as much as what we have seen on Monday for all of us here in East Tennessee, but we are used to some snow. A look from Blunt Memorial as well. They've definitely cleared this parking lot, and we've seen a lot of roads cleared, especially throughout the entire area. Now, one thing is we still have those back roads that are a little bit iffy, and some of those side roads that are iffy as well, and those roads that maybe saw some melt earlier today probably have refrozen again. So make sure, if you have to drive, especially when it's the overnight hours, when it's really, really cold outside, you are taking it slow because black ice could be near. Now, right now, we are sitting in the teens, single digits, 12 here in Knoxville, 11 in Maryville, 9 in Gatlinburg, 9 in Morristown, 9 in Kingston, 4 in Crossville, 3 in Oneida and Jamestown, and we're continuing to notice some breezy conditions. Now, definitely not as breezy as yesterday, but we're seeing our winds gusting up to the teens, 20s, which is contributing to us feeling even colder outside. So, as I just mentioned, we're closer to 12 degrees here in Knoxville, but feeling close to those single digits. And that's what we call wind chill. Now, we still have a wind chill advisory for the entire area here and a wind chill warning for the Great Smoky Mountains until tomorrow at 10 a.m. Now, this is just showcasing how cold it's going to feel. We'll be feeling close to the -10s and the -20s in the blue and -10s here in the white. So just be aware of that. Temperatures right now with wind chill in the Great Smoky Mountains feeling close to 1 degree in Wears Valley, 9 at Pittman Center, 1 in Tremont, 11 in Townsend, -20 at Clingman's Dome. Very, very cold. You need to make sure you're bundling up. Overnight lows tonight, as I mentioned before, falling towards the single digits. We're actually going to be closer to 3 degrees here in Knoxville, 4 in Kingston, 2 in Wartburg, and in the zeros along the plateau. Monday lows, as we go into the overnight on Sunday, a little bit better, but still cold in the teens, 13 in Knoxville, 12 in Maryville, and 16 in Crossville. A look ahead, though, this is the silver lining here. Monday, we're actually going to see temperatures rising above freezing during the daylight hours, and same for Tuesday. But you'll notice Tuesday, we actually have a 30% chance of seeing precipitation. The real good news here is it is rain. We will be seeing temperatures on the warm end, so it's going to stay rain, but that rain is going to be pretty consistent, actually lingering as we head towards the end of the week going into the weekend. So you might want to switch your winter gear for your rain gear. But again, we are weather aware for the rest of the night going into tomorrow because of frigid morning temperatures. We will see temperatures warming up slightly Monday and even more on Tuesday and Wednesday. Again, have your rain gear ready. Don?
All right, Margo.